Still drawing on a tablet that feels more like glass than paper? In 2025, the best tablets finally match your hand, with sharper screens, better pressure, and tools that speed up your workflow. Let's dive into the top picks. The Xencelabs Pen Display 24 is a powerhouse for serious creatives. It features a 24-inch 4K screen with 99% Adobe RGB coverage, giving you stunning color accuracy and detail. The display is laminated to reduce parallax, and the included Quick Keys remote offers 40 customizable shortcuts. You get 2 battery-free pens with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt support, and a comfortable grip. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and built for long sessions with a sturdy stand and ergonomic design. If you want a studio-grade experience, this one's hard to beat. The XPPen Artist Pro 16 is a mid-sized tablet with a 15.6-inch fully laminated display that reduces glare and improves pen accuracy. It supports 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt, and comes with a 3-in-1 cable for easy setup. The stylus is responsive and comfortable, and the tablet itself is slim and portable. It's a great choice for artists who want a balance between performance and portability without breaking the bank. The Wacom Cintiq 22 is a classic choice for professionals. It features a 21.5-inch Full HD display with excellent color reproduction and Wacom's Pro Pen 2, which supports tilt and 8,192 pressure levels. The screen is responsive and textured for a natural feel, and the build quality is solid. It's not as high-res as some newer models, but it's reliable, durable, and backed by Wacom's long-standing reputation in the industry. The Apple iPad Pro 2024 isn't a dedicated drawing tablet, but it's one of the most versatile tools for creatives. With its OLED display, M4 chip, and Apple Pencil Pro support, it offers smooth performance, excellent color accuracy, and features like hover, barrel roll, and haptic feedback. It's ultra-portable, runs a wide range of creative apps, and doubles as a full productivity device. If you want a tablet that does more than just draw, this one's a top contender. The HUION KAMVAS 16 Gen 3 is a strong value pick with a 15.8-inch 2.5K QHD display, full lamination, and anti-sparkle glass for reduced glare. It supports 16,304 pressure levels with PenTech 4.0 and includes dual dials and customizable buttons for quick access to tools. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Android, and offers excellent performance for its price. If you're looking for a budget-friendly tablet that doesn't skimp on features, this one's worth a look. From laminated 4K displays to 16K pressure pens, these tablets prove you don't need to compromise on feel, accuracy, or creative control. We explain what each one does best, so you can find the perfect match for your art style, setup, and budget. Watch more gear breakdowns, side-by-side comparisons, and creative workflow tips.